Hi everyone, this is Changyang He, a second-year PhD student from Hong Kong UST. Today I'm going to talk about how Danmaku and video comment, two different types of video commentary, play a role in crisis communication. I'd like to thank my co-authors Lu He from UC Irvine, Tun Lu from Fudan University, and Bo Li from Hong Kong UST. Video commentary is an indispensable component for video viewers to communicate with others, share relevant information, and express emotions. Conventional video comments are often placed in a comment box under videos, making watching videos and accessing video comments two separate and asynchronous procedures. On the contrary, Danmaku floats above videos for several seconds, which influences viewers' perceptions synchronously. With live and synchronized Danmaku, the video content that viewers see is collectively composed by the original video creator and the cooperative contributions of Danmaku posts. Such video content co-creation by viewers brings potential values in crisis communication, where accurate, timely, and situational information is needed while misinformation is rampant. For example, the Danmaku in the white box, "You should cover your nose when wearing the mask," provides a timely correction of video characters' misbehavior. Most previous works regard video creator as the sole source of information and take viewers only as someone to engage. Under this model, Danmaku was only investigated as a tool for entertaining and engaging. Actually, Danmaku also affords viewers synchronous participation and collaborative contributions. In other words, Danmaku enables viewers become not only viewers, but also video content contributors. Such collaborative work was of great significance during crises, which helped to collaboratively disseminate situational information and mutually offer emotional support. Previous work largely investigated the collaborative work in crisis communication on traditional social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter, but none focused on the online video settings, an increasingly important channel in crisis. This work thus aims to investigate how viewers leverage video commentary to collaboratively contribute to crisis videos beyond entertainment. As a further step, we also explore how the unique features of Danmaku, such as synchronicity and diverse styles, may characterize crisis communication in Danmaku with special patterns compared to traditional comments. We investigate viewers' contribution from the perspectives of information sharing and sentiment expression, which are two core components in crisis communication. We propose three research questions regarding the prevalence, emotion categories, and the information themes, as well as the unique patterns of Danmaku and comments in crisis communication. To answer these research questions, we adopted a mixed methods approach incorporating NLP and qualitative analysis. We collected a sufficiently large Danmaku and comment dataset from more than 800 COVID-19 related videos on Bilibili, the largest Danmaku video website in China. To answer RQ1, we built two machine learning classifiers to quantify the prevalence of information sharing and sentiment expression in Danmaku and comments. To answer RQ2, we applied qualitative thematic analysis to uncover information themes and built a quantitative emotion classifier to identify the emotion categories. To solve RQ3, we systematically reviewed Danmaku and comment samples with corresponding video context and assisted with quantitative analysis to validate the empirical findings. Next, I'm going to report the results of this work. Generally, we found that sentiment expression was more prevalent in Danmaku, such as "Salute to all medical staff working in the anti-COVID-19 front line." Instead, information sharing was much more prevailing in video comments, such as "COVID-19 is an RNA virus. It would mutate and evolve rapidly." We identified fine-grained emotion types of Danmaku in crisis videos beyond positive and negative. Compared to video comments, Danmaku had higher proportions of positive emotions, and the lower proportions of negative emotions. On the positive emotions shared in Danmaku, admiration and encouragement accounted for the highest proportion. Criticism, through which users criticized misbehaviors in crises, was the dominant negative emotion. We also built a hierarchical information topic taxonomy of commentary by grouping 17 themes into 5 high-level categories. The comparison of the Danmaku and comments yields some interesting findings. For example, much Danmaku-based information sharing focused on video sections, such as the given URL is invalid, while comment-based information sharing was more about video major topics as well as video meta information, such as this video is objective and has much useful information. Please refer to the paper for a complete comparison. We discovered unique hypertext patterns of video commentary in crisis communication. First, we found that Danmaku's unique display styles, such as bright colored, big font, or fixed at the top Danmaku, had a higher information sharing proportion. This figure shows a typical example. The fixed at the top red Danmaku, which was distinct among all Danmaku posts in style, provided an authoritative explanation to mask usage. Second, Danmaku affords timely information supplement and regulation for crisis communication. Danmaku immediately following the corresponding theme could effectively reveal misbehaviors in videos, such as the video character was masked in an inappropriate way, supplement relevant knowledge in the scene, such as the infrared theometer may be not accurate, or explain scene details by saying, "Look at this doctor, a pointer, how tired he is." For sentiment expression, video viewers leverage Danmaku as a channel of collective emotion resonance, especially admiration and encouragement, which cultivated an intense emotional atmosphere of video watching. The screen flooding in this figure shows a typical example when a large number of Danmaku repeated, "Come on, Wuhan." Emotion communication through Danmaku can also be interactive. Viewers express empathy, gratitude, and care directly to virtual or real characters, such as saying, "Uploader, you must be careful. Remember always wear masks," to video uploader, saying, "You are really angels. Salute," to medical staff appeared in the video, and saying, "Guys watching this video, take care," to other viewers, which create an interactive viewing experience. We reflect on the findings and discuss how to improve commentary interfaces to facilitate effective and engaging crisis communication. First, this work revealed the nuanced and complementary role of the two commentary interfaces based on their temporal, spatial, and style nature. The complementary features of Danmaku and comments in information sharing and sentiment expression satisfy different informational and emotional needs during crisis, and the particularity of commentary in crisis videos provides a rich resource to discover public awareness, concerns, and reaction. Also, we discussed the potential of synchronous commentary in crisis communication, which had critical values to collaborative misinformation correction and knowledge co-construction and augmentation. We finally proposed several design implications on commentary interface. We first suggest broadly empowering viewers by not only allowing them to co-create what others could feel, but also providing more options for viewers to choose what we are willing to see. For instance, the collective emotion resonance in screen flooding of Danmaku might be appealing to some viewers, but may also be distracting to those who want to watch the pure video content. It is also suggested to evaluate Danmaku with special style supported by AI or crowd, and highlight those with valuable crisis information in style, facing the condition that some viewers might misuse Danmaku with special styles to convey missing information in crisis. Finally, advanced referencing interfaces are recommended for optimization of section information sharing. Please refer to our paper for more detailed information. Thanks for listening.